How to add sounds to Discord Soundboard on mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, let's go ahead and open up any of the web application that you have. At the top search bar, type in discord.com and get logged into your Discord account through a web browser. Now then, you will see a page like this. Tap open any of the server that you have. Tap onto your name and tap on Server Settings. Under Overview, you will see option of Soundboard. Tap onto it. Now here tap on Upload Sound. Now if you have a sound saved in your file, tap on Browse and that way it will open up your file manager. Choose any sound that you would like to upload. You can also type in the sound name, the related emoji and the sound volume. Once you do so, all you have to do is tap on to upload on your bottom right, and that is how you will be able to upload sound on Discord. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.